guys, it's Julia. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a really exciting video. It is a formal get ready with me, prom/formal get ready with me, in collaboration with an amazing brand, Sisters the Label. They are they make dresses and they are beautiful. They're silk and they have just a beautiful selection online. This is not sponsored, but it is in collaboration. And they sent me an amazing dress for this video to show you guys how I would get ready for prom or formal. I'm a senior in college, so this is not really prom for me, so I kind of based it on how I would get ready for like a sorority formal or something, but this definitely works for like high school formals and prom. I tried to make the eyes a little bit more dramatic than I usually would for all you prom people. And then another really exciting thing is that they gave me a discount code. The code I will have here and in the description box. It is Julia50 for 50 Australian dollars off of your purchase online forever. It never expires, which is great because right now it's like the dead of winter, so you might not be having formals. Most schools are probably on break. I don't even know, but this code never expires, so when prom time comes, it'll still be available for you guys to use. So I'm so excited to get into this video. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm already prepped and primed, and since today is a formal look, I'm going full glam. Obviously, lots of pictures will be taken, so I'm gonna go in with the It Cosmetics CC Cream. I use this shade Light, and if you watch a lot of my makeup videos, I'm sorry that I'm constantly using this, but it's just my favorite, so I don't really know why I would stray. So I'm just going to use this flat brush and put this right on the brush, and then just start working it in. Okay, and then I'm going to use another pump for the other side of my face. I always think it's so fun getting ready for these types of events because you get to have so much fun with the makeup. You get to do way more than you usually get to do. Okay, now that we're done putting on the foundation, we are going to use concealer. This is the Naked Skin by Urban Decay. And this is a glam look, so we're gonna go hit all the areas that we want to brighten, because that will look really good in pictures for prom or formal. And so I hit all the highs on my face. Oop. Now I'm going to use this damp beauty blender and just blend it all out. Oh my god, I need a new beauty blender, y'all. Ugh, mine is nasty. Anyways. Okay, now that we have the concealer and we look nice and bright, I think it looks really good. We're gonna go in with the translucent setting powder by Laura Mercier, and just set where we put the concealer. I'm not, I don't usually bake, but I do put a little extra under the eyes. So now that we have that, I take, oh my gosh, I have like a dog hair or something on my face. Then I take this big powder brush and I just dip it in the translucent powder, and I just go all over to set it all. After we set the face, we are going to use this Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in shade Natural with this sculpting brush from Sephora. Last time I used this brush, I didn't like it, but I'm gonna give it another go because I want to. So like I said before, this for formal or prom, you're going to be taking a lot of pictures. So you want definition in your face. You want that. So that's why I'm using a sculpting brush. Usually I would use a more fluffy brush to bronze, but I'm gonna use the bronzer as the contour, kind of a 2-in-1. And get those cheeks chiseled for the event. Okay, I think that that's pretty good for the bronzer. And now that we're bronzed, we're going to be using this Bobbi Brown little travel size highlighter. It just says mini highlighting powder in Pink Glow. And I'm using this one because it's has some white to it, and it's a little more icy and glowy than my other ones, which are more golden. And for this look, I'm doing kind of an ice princess vibe because the dress is like a really pretty icy blue, so I want to keep it icy and silver, and I never do that, and I've never tried it. So wish me luck. I hope that this turns out nice. But yeah, gonna stray from my usual golden makeup look. Wow. Ooh, that looks fire. Okay. So now that we have our highlighter, we move on to the eyebrows. And for the eyebrows, I'm using what I always use, the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. And I'm gonna just fast forward through this part because it's gonna take a long time and you guys are gonna be bored. Okay, there's the base of my brows using the pencil. And next, we are going to use Gimme Brow to fluff them up a little bit more. So with the Gimme Brow, I use shade 4, and I just fluff them up. So here are the brows, and then I just realized that I skipped blush. And for the blush, I'm using this angled blush brush. It's a Sonia Kashuk from Target with this Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush, and this one is in shade Dim Infusion. And it looks like that. It's really pretty. It's like mixed with more of a tan color, and then it's shimmery. Okay, now that we have a little bit more color. Okay, and for eyeshadow, we're going to use the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And since this is just a formal ice princess look, I'm going to do some deeper browns, and then I'm going to use this amazing glitter eyeshadow stuff that I have. But we're going to dip into Raw Sienna, that's in the lower right corner, to use this as a transition. Okay, and now we're actually going to move along from this Modern Renaissance to her newer palette, Sultry. And we're going to use the color in here called Twig, and that's right here. And focus that a little bit more into right here. So we're just darkening that up a little bit right here. I'm just going to flatten the brush that I just used and dust a little bit underneath the eye. Okay. So next is the exciting part. We are going to use this Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in the shade Smoky Storm. And it just opens up and looks like that. So we're just gonna lay that on. I'm already obsessed. Wait, I feel like this has to be even more zoomed in. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back into the Sultry palette and get the eyeshadow brush that they have in there and just use this little end to like try and blend in a little better. I'm gonna pick up some of the Twig color. I like that. This is so sparkly and pretty. Ooh. Okay, this is just so pretty. I love that Stila. I'd never used it before, so that was fun to put it on. Our next stop is eyeliner. So Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black by Kat Von D. Looks like that on the tip. That's my favorite kind of eyeliner. It's the easiest to me. And we're gonna do a dramatic wing because formal. So that's a good liner for that eye, and then I'm going to do the other one just real quick. So I actually ended up going really dramatic with the liner. Okay, now we're gonna move on to lips. So nothing's new here. We're gonna do the Everlasting Lip Liner by Kat Von D in shade Lovecraft, because this is pretty much all I use. So I just love it too much to stray. I'm gonna line those lips, overline them a bit actually. And for lipstick, on top of this, we're going to use Velvet Teddy by MAC, the one and only, and just cover up all of that pretty much. So there are the lips. Okay, next we're going to do mascara. So we're using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. We're gonna load it on. We're not doing any false lashes today. So this is the look for today, the makeup look anyways. It's very formal, I feel like, prom. Like, I mean, I had prom 5 years ago, so I don't know if this would still be cool, but I think that I love it if I had prom again. But for like a sorority formal or a college formal, I really like it. I'll probably use this actually very soon. I just like this whole glittery thing. I'm getting a lot more into the glitters lately. Right here. So for hair, my hair is actually already done. It has a really nice wave left in it from yesterday's curling that I did. So I honestly really like this like loose wavy thing that I have going on, so I don't think that I'm going to redo it, except I will say that yesterday I used the Dry Bar curling wand to curl it, and then I always use the triple sec, the Dry Bar triple sec, and it, oh my gosh, it's my favorite thing for my hair is that combo of the wand and the triple sec. But yeah, so this is gonna be the hair because I feel like it looks great, so I'm keeping it like this. Okay, so here is the amazing dress that they sent me that I'm about to put on for you guys, but it is this really pretty blue color. You can wear it as a halter, or they have these straps so that you can make it like a tank top style. It seems like it's gonna be low back. I haven't tried it on yet, but it is actually one size, which is cool, and it's just really stretchy in the torso. And let me just check really quickly what the name of this one was. It's called the Dove Bows Mini Dress in Frosted Blue, if you guys were wondering. But I'm excited to put it on, and I'm gonna go to a fun location and just make a fun little mini montage. You saw a little bit of it in the beginning, but also you guys will see how I styled it. It is freezing outside right now, like foggy and gross, so I honestly hope that the footage comes out okay. But I think I'm gonna put some fur and just make it like a winter formal type of situation. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel because we're almost at 15,000, and I'm like, can't even believe that. That might not seem big to some people, but to me, I'm like freaking out. So subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.